celebrate. She rides a bike and takes Anna downstairs to play, but along the way, Elsa keeps sneezing, and each time more mini snowmen pop out. Anna notices Elsa is unwell and wants her to rest at home, but Elsa thinks a cold is no big deal for the Snow Queen, so she keeps walking through town with her sister. Meanwhile, all the little snowmen gather at the birthday party, and their eyes lock onto the big cake. Kristoff uses Olaf like a bowling ball, knocks all of them down, but more and more snowmen keep showing up, messing up the entire birthday event. Luckily, Kristoff reacts quickly. At the same time, Elsa's cold gets